Hey, what's up? Got a new part in today from cjponyparts. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. We'll go ahead and just crack it open for you guys. It just came in the mail today. I'm still waiting on 2 more rolls of sound skins, and this is obviously not the sound skin. Oh, they got it really stapled in there. But yeah, this is obviously not sound skins. This is my bezel and my gauge lens. So we're gonna show you in a second what happened with my old one, which was basically cracked and useless. So I think we already threw it away. So we have taken it off. Oh, we got a box inside of a box. Whoa. So this is the lens. I just replaced it, my gauge lens. And it's just basically a nice clean one. Mine was yellowing out, cracked, etc, etc. It's like obviously like sealed in there, huh? Pretty cool. So there's the lens. And let's see if I can use this to open this up really fast. This is the gauge bezel. I got the wood grain, so we do a wood grain grip. You know, looks really well. Let's take it out the bag. And yeah, man, this is aftermarket part. I paid $132 shipped, no shipping fee, no tax. So it's just $132 out the door. I'm gonna get the updated version, but retro radio, so nothing gets cut out right here. And you know, let's just go check that out real fast. So if you look, we've done some more work. The sound skins is now laid down somewhat. We're still waiting on some rolls, but yeah, man, that's gonna really make a big difference once we get that in. It's probably not gonna stick because of what I got going, but you know, if you can kind of just record. So basically let me just take this out so you can see. There's nothing here. I've taken it out. I'm going to replace this lens. I've already replaced the dash pad. The other one was all cracked up. It's in the front. I'll show you in a second. And I've also done the sound skins up top. You know, looking really well. It's missing a piece right there because there's a dent I have to pull. And this is 2 rolls of sound skins. So let's go ahead and put this up here so we don't mess it up. And this is I put the door seal in on this side. I still need to do it on the other side. But this is another layer. So I'm 2 rolls in on sound skins, and it's covered the top and, you know, half of the bottom, I would say. I still got to do over here, the front. Quick little video of my little E30. I drove that today. I got it in pre-runner. It's also on airbags. I'll show you guys another video of this pretty soon. This is a car I worked on 2017 and finished it earlier this year. It's got Recaro seats. It's got the E-level. Let's go ahead and bring it all the way down. Just hold it for 5 seconds. Watch the front go down. Got to actually adjust the E-level system on it, the 1, 2, and 3. It's a little off. But back to the truck. There's the old dash that just came out of it. As you can see, sorry I got the shade in my back, but for the most part you could see it. Over here this side, we're still finishing it up. I got to put the door seals in. I already do have it. I just got to have my lady help me. It's just way better when you have 2 people for something like this, even though it seems really easy. So we're going to put that in real soon. Waiting on those 2 rolls to come in to just have the whole bottom sound skinned. The dashboard, we're about to finish it up right now, and voila. Now, I decided the bracket that holds the radio and the heater need to be replaced, so I just sunk it back. So that's just been pushed back. I'm gonna get the bracket and get that radio going, and it'll look really nice. Hey man, that don't match. What's up with that? But okay, so let me try to get some light on this. But yeah man, it looks a lot better. Wood grain bezel gauge with the new lens. It's looking really, really nice. You know, new dash. You know, it's getting there, guys. It's getting there. You know, next thing, that steering wheel's got to go. It's an eyesore. Look at my son. He's there 4. He's ready to drive. Alright, so here's the old gauge lens. Cracked up a little bit. Also a little bit yellow. We already took it out, the dash, and popped out the little tabs. There's about 8 of them that go in there. But if you look how clean the dash is, or the gauges are, after you take the lens off. And I hate to say this, these do look really good. And I'm probably going to get the Dakota Digital, because I'm just like that. But I'll probably sell this on eBay, if not keep it for another day, because this is for sure going to just make it look a lot better. And I don't know, it has kind of a curve to it. Almost seems like it's not the right one, but let's see if I could just figure out what angle it is. That don't seem right. Could go like that, because that is going to be covered by the bezel. So look at the big difference that it has made on these gauges. You know, complete upgrade. I only paid, let's see what I paid. $24.99, no charge on tax and free shipping. And the bezel, like I said, was $134. I thought it was $132. So for 20 bucks, 25 bucks, it's a good upgrade. You know, I'm eventually going to put those Dakota dashes, digital dash in, but for now, it's just going to make the interior look a lot better. Let's go ahead and put that in.